Good morning, students. Welcome to Tenali Pathshala. In today's class, we are going to talk about PU1 mathematics, fixed questions for midterm exam. And in the last of this video, we are going to talk about some more very important question, one mark question also, with the solutions. Yes, let us begin. First chapter is sets. So in sets annual examination, the weightage is 8 mark, 1 mark 1 question, 2 mark 2 questions and 3 mark 1 questions. So total weightage is 8 mark in annual examination. In midterm exam you are going to get 16 mark question from sets chapter. So 100% fixed question in this sets is exercise 1.6 out of 8 problems, definitely one problem for 3 mark in sets chapter. Exercise 1.6. so here we are having there 8 examples. Out of 8 examples, definitely will get one example for annual examination, also for midterm, also for 3 mark. Alright, elements in the set builder form or roster form. So you are given with either roster form, you have to convert into builder form, or you are given with the builder form, you have to convert to the roster form. Like that question in every year they are asking, guys. Definitely they will ask for this year also, for midterm as well as annual examination. This carry 1 mark again. Problems on union, intersection, complement and Venn diagram. So on these problems you are getting 2 mark 1 questions. So like this, totally you are getting 8 marks in this chapter. I hope you understood. So exercise 1.6 out of 8 problems, definitely one problem for 3 mark. Set builder form and roster form conversion, definitely 1 mark. And problems on union, intersection, simple, complement and Venn diagram. I will show you, don't worry. I am going to solve some problems on that. So this is for 2 mark. Talking about second chapter, let us begin. Relations and functions. So here weightage is 11 marks, guys. Relations and functions, weightage is 11 marks. 1 mark 1 question, 2 mark 1 question, 3 mark 1 question and 5 mark 1 question. So total here you are going to get 11 marks for annual examination, and for midterm you are going to get 22 marks from this, exactly double of this one. So signum function, greatest integer function and modulus function. Out of these 3, definitely you are going to get 1 for graph, domain and range. Out of these 3, any one question to draw the graph, define it and write the domain and range. A writing graph 2 mark, definition writing 1 mark, 1 mark for domain writing and 1 mark for range writing. So you will, like this you will going to get 5 mark question, definitely for annual examination also, and for midterm you will get 2. For annual examination out of 3 anyone you are getting, for midterm exam you are getting 2 out of these 3. I hope you followed, guys. This is you have to draw the graph and you have to write the definition of that, and range and domain you have to write it properly step by step. Talking about third chapter, trigonometry. Here weightage is 19 marks, guys. So 1 mark 1 question, 2 mark 2 questions, 3 mark 1 question, 5 mark 1 question and 6 mark 1 question. 6 marks means you are getting in 10 mark. Definitely 6 marks question is from trigonometry only. So like that you are getting totally 19 marks, guys. Very important chapter. So this is regarding annual I am talking about. For midterm you are getting double the number, means 38 marks you are going to get only in this chapter. So let us discuss what are the important concept. Conversion of radian to degree measure and degree measure to radian, vice versa. So definitely every year they are asking one question from this concept. Nothing, that means you are given with one for example 520 degree, convert them into radian. Otherwise 5 pi by 18, convert them into degree. Like that they will ask any one question, definitely 101%. Second, exercise 3.1, you just remove the NCERT textbook, guys. Exercise 3.1, question number 3 to question number 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you do these 4, definitely one question for 2 mark, 101%. You are going to get one question for 2 mark. And very important question, 6 mark question, and this is also fixed question. Prove geometrically cos of x plus y is equal to cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. So this is guaranteed question, guys, for 6 mark. Exercise 3.3, 6, 7, 8, 17, 19, 21, any one of them definitely we are going to get for 5 marks. Exercise 3.3, 6, 7, 8, 17, 19, 21. Out of these things, any one problem they will ask for 5 mark. Very important questions, guys. Yes. Talking about next chapter, mathematical induction, weightage is 5 mark. Exercise 4.1, prove the following by principle of mathematical induction. First solved examples you have to see properly, and exercise question. Question number 2, 4, 6, 7, 10, 14, 17. So these 5 questions are very important questions, guys. So many times they have repeated. So definitely we'll get one question for prove by mathematical induction. Chapter number 5, complex number. In complex number also weightage is 9 mark. 1 mark 1 question, 2 mark 1 question, and 3 mark 2 questions. 6th chapter and last chapter is linear inequalities, and here weightage is 7 mark, 2 mark 1, and 5 mark 1. So in linear inequalities you are going to get the graph, draw the graph, solve the system of linear inequality equations by graphical method. Like that questions you are going to get for 5 mark, and 1 mark simple questions to solve, find the value of x. Like that questions you are going to get. So this is regarding annual exam weightage, and whatever the annual exam weightages are there, double the number you are going to get in midterm exam, right? So let us discuss some important 1 mark questions which are asked from all the 6 chapters. Let us start with the first problem. I have given a solution also, carefully see, guys. Write the following sets in a roster form. They are asking, you are given with one set and you have to write in roster form. Number 1, write this set x such that x belongs to R and x is in between -3 and 7. So that means x belongs to R means you know already R is a real number set. So in real number set you will get fractions also, and they have told that x is greater than -3, less than 7. Meaning is you may get a point fraction numbers also. Therefore I have written open interval -3 to 7. Open interval indicates -3 and 7s are not included, and order pair indicates in between -3 to 7. All fractions, integer, everything comes under that. That is the meaning. I hope you followed, guys. Question number 2, write this set x such that x is a positive integer and x square is less than 40 in a roster form. See, guys, they are asking x is a positive integer. Integer means start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So why I am writing up to 6? Because x square is less than 40 means 6 6 are 36. If you take 7 sevens are 47. It is again greater than 40. That's why I am taking up to 6. I hope you followed. If A has 4 elements, how many subset does A has? Remember, guys, number of subset is equal to formula is 2 raised to n. N is the number of elements. Our set is having 4 elements, hence subset is number of subset is equal to 2 raised to 4, and 2 raised to 4 is 16. If A is equal to A, E, I, O, U, these are the elements in the set A, then how many elements are present in the power set of A? N of P of A they are asking. Power set of A. And again the formula is same, 2 raised to n. N is the number of element. See, guys, how many elements are present in A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elements are present. So number of elements in power set of A is equal to 2 raised to 5. That is 32. These 2 questions are also very important questions, guys. So many times annual examination they have repeated. So you may get in midterm exam also same questions. Question number 5, we'll start it. Write this set 1, 4, 9 up to 100 in a set builder form. You know, 1, 4, 9. Carefully observe the set, guys. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, lastly 10 square is 100. That means you are given with a squared element. So I have written that x such that x is equal to n square, x belongs to n, n means natural number set, start from 1, and n is greater than or equal to 1, less than or equal to 10. This is set builder form, and you are given with roster form. I hope you followed, guys. Definitely you will get one question from set builder form or set roster form. If x plus 3 by 2 phi is equal to 10 phi, find x. So two sets are equivalent, you have to find out the value of x. When two sets are equivalent, the LHS number is equal to RHS number. So x plus 3 by 2 is equal to 10, x plus 3 is equal to 2 is there in the denominator. When you take that side, it becomes numerator. 10 into 2, 20. So plus 3 is there. When you take plus 3 that side, it becomes minus 3. 20 minus 3 is 17. X value is 17. Seventh question. If A cross B is equal to order pair 1x, 1y, 2x, 2y, find the set A and B. You are given with A cross B and you are asked to find out A and B separately. So whatever the first elements are present in the set, those all are A. And whatever the second elements present in the set, they all are B elements. So and remember, very importantly, in the set notation, one element, if it is repeated also, it is written only in once. So 1, 1, 2, 2 is there. So you have to write only two numbers, 1, 2 over. In B, x, y is there. Again repeated numbers, you have to write only once, x, y. I hope you followed. Whatever the first element is there, that is a first set. Second element is there, that is the second set. When the cross is given to you, write down all the subsets of set A is equal to 1, 2. Subsets. I hope you know how many subsets are present. 2 raised to n. And how many elements are there here? 2. So 2 raised to 2 means 4 subset you should get here. See, first one I have written 1, second one 2, third one 1, 2, fourth one pi. Pi indicates it is a null set. Null set is a subset of all sets. So I hope you got here. 2 raised to 2 means you are getting 4 subsets, and I have written all the 4 subsets here. So first you see the elements, you apply 2 raised to n formula, and then go for writing, so that you can get easily idea how many subset you are going to write it, right? So talking about question number 9, guys. Write 3, 6, 9, 12 in the set builder form. You see, guys, 3, 6, 9, 12 means it is a multiple of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, like that. So how to write in set builder form? X such that x equal to 3n and x belongs to n, and very importantly, n is greater than or equal to 1, less than or equal to 4, greater than or equal to 1 or less than or equal to 4. If g is equal to 7 8, h is equal to 5 4 2, find h cross z. What do you have to find? H cross z. Then you see, I told you h cross d is nothing but a ordered pair which are present in the first set element and second set element. See, h cross g they are asking. What is the h? 5. What is the z? 7 8 is there. So you have to write ordered pair 5 7, ordered pair 5 8. Next one, ordered pair 4 7, ordered pair 4 8. Next one, ordered pair 2 7, ordered pair 2 8. So these are the elements you are going to get in cross. Cross means whatever the first element in the first set and first element in the second set, ordered pair. First element in the first set and second element in the second set, like that ordered pair you will go on writing, you will get the h cross z. Similarly, they have asked z cross h means 7 5 7 4 7 2, 8 5 8 4 8 2, like that you are getting the answers. I hope you followed, guys. Talking about question number 11. Find the domain of the real valued function f of x equal to square root of 9 minus x square. This question is very important, guys. So many times they have repeated in annual examination. They are asking domain and range. So square root of 9 minus x square is there. So domain is minus closed interval. Closed interval means these minus 3 and 3 are also included. That is the meaning. Closed interval minus 3 and 3. And range is 0, 3. Closed interval. So these are the very important, range and domain. This question is very important, guys. So many times it is repeated for annual examinations. And this is going to, you are going to get in midterm exam also, definitely. Question number 12. Convert 520 degree in radian measure. This is also very important questions, guys. So many times this is question also repeated. See, when you want to convert degree to radian, you multiply with pi by 180. And when you want to convert radian to degree, you have to multiply with 180 by pi. So here degree is given, you have to convert into radian. So multiplied by pi by 180. So 0 0 get cancels. 18 1 za, 18 3 za. You will get 3 pi. How many radian? 3 pi radians. Convert 7 pi by 6 into degree. Now the reverse I have asked. So 7 pi by 6 into degree means into 180 divided by pi. Pi get cancels. 6 1 za, 6 30 za. 13 7 za, 210 degree. So how much you are getting? 210 degree. Find the 10th term of GP. 5, 25, 125. So you are given with A value 5. A1 value, A2 value is 25, A3 value is 125. You have to find out 10th term. To find out 10th term, you must know regarding the common ratio. Correct? What is common ratio? A2 divided by A1 or A3 divided by A2. So here A2 is 25, A1 is 5. 25 by 5 means you are getting 5. Put the value of nth term of GP formula. An is equal to AR raised to n minus 1. A value is 5, R value is also 5, n value is 10 because 10th term we want, 10 minus 1. 5 raised to 9, so 5 raised to 9 into 5 is 5 raised to 10 and your answer is 97,65,625. So this is the correct answer for your question. This question is also repeated several times for annual examination, so very important for midterm point of view. Definitely they will ask guys for midterm exam. Question number 15. If an is equal to 2n minus 3 divided by 6, then find a10. So you are given with a last term, that is the nth term. You have to find out 10th term. Put n is equal to 10, you will get the answer. 2 into 10 minus 3 divided by 6. 10 2s are 20 minus 3 divided by 6. 17 by 6 is the correct answer. Find the 12th term of GP, whose 8th term is 192 and whose common ratio is 2. 12th term of GP they are asking. Whose 8th term is 192. 8th term is 192 means A8 is equal to 192. A8 can be written as AR raised to 7 because you know AN is equal to AR raised to n minus 1. That formula I have applied. A8 is equal to AR raised to 7. A you keep as it is. R value they have given in the question. Common ratio is 2, no, right? So 2 raised to 7, 128. You take 128 that side. When it is multiplicative, when it comes this side, it becomes dividend. 192 divided by 128. So you just cancel it with 64 2s are 64 3s are. So you will get 3 by 2. A value is 3 by 2. Put the value into that formula. A8 value is equal to AR raised to 11. 12th put term they are asking. A is 3 by 2. R is 2 and 11 I have written. 2 raised to 11 into 3 divided by 2. You will, if you do it, so you will get 3072. This is the correct answer for this question. For what value of x? The numbers minus 2 by 7, x minus 7 by 2 are in GP. These numbers are in GP. A2 by A1 is equal to A3 by A2. When these numbers are in GP, A2 by A1 is equal to A3 by A2. That is what is nothing but a common ratio. Put the value. A2 is x, A1 is minus 2 by 7. A3 is minus 7 by 2 and A2 is x. So when denominator of the denominator comes to the numerator, so x divided by minus 2 by 7 will come at the upside. So 7x divided by minus 2. Here also minus 7x divided by 2. Minus 7 divided by 2x. So minus minus get cancelled, x get cancelled, 2 get cancelled. You are left with x equal to plus or minus 1. So x value is, it may be plus 1 or it may be minus 1 guys. Find the common ratio of GP. 5 by 2, 5 by 4, 5 by 8. So common ratio means A2 by A1 you can do or A3 by A2 also you can do. So I will do A2 by A1. 5 by 4 divided by 5 by 2. Again, denominator of denominator come to the numerator. So 5 by 2 becomes 2 by 5. 2 1s are 2 2s are 5 get cancels. R value is, common ratio value is 1 by 2. 19 question. Find the first 3 terms of the sequence. An is equal to n divided by n plus 1. You are given with the nth term. You are asked to find out first 3 terms. So put n is equal to 1, put n is equal to 2, put n is equal to 3. You will get the answers. When you put n is equal to 1, 1 divided by 1 plus 1, that is 1 by 2. When you put n is equal to 2, 2 divided by 2 plus 1, that is 2 by 3. And when you put n is equal to 3, 3 divided by 3 plus 1, that is 3 by 4. So first three terms are 1 by 2, 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Last question. An is equal to n into n minus 2 divided by n plus 3. Then find A20. They are asking. Put n is equal to 20. 20 into 20 minus 1 divided by 20 plus 3. 20 minus 2 is 18. 20 into 18 divided by 23. So 20 into 18 is 360 divided by 23. So this is a A20. That means 20th term they are asking. I hope you followed, guys. If you do only these 20 problem also, you will definitely get 10 out of 10 1 mark questions in your midterm exam. Guarantee, guys. The remaining, if you want 2 mark and 5 mark question, important questions also, chapter wise, which are there in the midterm examinations, you comment below, guys. If you want it, I will make a video, otherwise I will leave it. See, guys, and if you want chapter wise Belgaum district or whatever the district may be, so if you want previous year questions chapter wise chemistry and mathematics, so just comment below, guys. In next coming days I will make a video and send it to you, guys. So if you want chalk and board method teaching also, you tell me, guys. I will explain with them. So if you want to, by tomorrow, if you want 2 mark and 3 mark questions for midterm important questions, you just comment below. I will try to do that. Yes, guys, if you are not understanding anything, please see the video once. Definitely will come to know. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for next lesson. If you want, I will do, otherwise I will leave it. Yes, guys, thanks for watching. Thank you.